Okay, here we go with a question about albedo. This is for our greenhouse gases part of the course. As ever, have a go at the question and press play. Okay, so I think the way that this question is worded is a bit nasty. Okay, we'll talk about this. Let's try and break it out down in a bit of detail. First, we know the albedo. Now, albedo is a dimensionless quantity, 0.25. What does it mean? It's the reflected intensity divided by the incident intensity. Okay, now I think here is where we need to be careful about what is incident and what is incoming. And I really don't like that term incoming because I think it confuses students. Let's look at it. The incident intensity here is going to be S. That is the solar constant. So what we know is that the reflected intensity over S is 0.25. In other words, our reflected intensity is going to be 0.25 S. So we want to know the incoming intensity. All we have to do is take the difference between the incident intensity and the intensity which has been reflected to give us 3S over 4, which is why the answer here is C. And I think I've said, I think the bit that's the problem here is the use of the words incident and incoming, because I think students, especially if English is not your first language, may be a little bit confused by the difference of those. I'll be honest with you, I got pretty confused by this, and consider myself okay at English. So I don't think this is a question of knowledge. I think this is a question of language, and it can lead students to overthink this question. The answer here is simply that what's left over after we've reflected is really a test of your understanding of what albedo is.